Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to Tomography Series 1. In this video, we will discuss about CT scan orbit plane. In this, I will include all the key factors like indication, patient preparation, patient positioning and instruction, scan parameters, filming, PACS and archive system, CD and DVD, radiation safety and protection. So let's get in. Indication: to detect any fracture in the bones of the orbit or eye socket, to detect any foreign object in the eye or eye socket, to diagnose any infection or inflammation in the area around the eyes, to detect and diagnose disease of the soft tissue in this area, for example muscle, blood vessels and nerves. Patient preparation: NBM status not required. Female patient with childbearing age, please ensure LMP and confirm non-pregnant status. Remove metal object including jewelry, eyeglasses, nose ring and hairpins. Remove hearing aids and remove dentures. Take special care with details from elderly, handicapped, deaf, blind, very young, individuals with poor language problem, etc. Patient positioning and instruction. Positioning: orientation: head first supine into the gantry with the head in the head holder whenever possible. Patient should be straight, chin should be down in flex position. Center the table height such that the external auditory meatus EAM is at the center of the gantry. Instruction: before starting the scan, explain whole procedure to the patient so they can understand what they has to do during the scan. Patient head should be stable, so ask the patient to do not move head during the scan. Patient need to close their eyes while being scanned. Scan parameters: topogram, AP and lateral. Coverage from superior frontal sinus to hard palate. KV 120, MS 125, collimation 0.6 mm, slice thickness 3 mm, slice interval 3 mm, pitch 0.8, rotation time 1 second, scan mode helical, scan direction craniocaudal, scan delay 2 seconds. Recons: Recon 1 3 by 3 mm axial soft, Recon 2 1 by 0.5 mm axial soft for 3D, Recon 3 3 by 3 mm axial bone, Recon 4 1 by 0.5 mm axial bone for 3D, image kernel H30 medium smooth for soft tissue, H60 sharp for bone, image window pes orbita for soft and osteo for bone. Filming: Film 1 plan view, axial soft and bone, slice interval 3 by 3 mm, window level soft and bone, film format 8 by 5 40 images. Film 2 plan view, coronal soft and bone, slice interval 3 by 3 mm, window level soft and bone, film format 8 into 5 40 images. Film 3 plan view, sag soft and bone, slice interval 3 by 3 mm, window level soft and bone, film format 8 into 5 40 images. Data for PACS and archive: 3 by 3 mm axial soft, 1 by 0.5 mm axial soft thin, 3 by 3 mm axial bone, 1 by 0.5 mm axial bone thin, 3 by 3 mm coronal soft, 3 by 3 mm coronal bone, 3 by 3 mm sag soft, 3 by 3 mm sag bone, and patient protocol. Data for CD and DVD. You can give thick data in CD like 3 by 3 mm axial soft, 3 by 3 mm axial bone, 3 by 3 mm coronal soft, 3 by 3 mm coronal bone, 3 by 3 mm sag soft, 3 by 3 mm sag bone, and patient protocol. In DVD, you can give thick and thin data like 3 by 3 mm axial soft, 3 by 3 mm axial bone, 3 by 3 mm coronal soft, 3 by 3 mm coronal bone, 3 by 3 mm sag soft, 3 by 3 mm sag bone, 1 by 0.5 mm axial soft thin, 1 by 0.5 mm axial bone thin, and patient protocol. Radiation safety and protection. Always follow ALARA principle as low as reasonably achievable. Avoid repeat scan. Always check pregnancy status in female patient. If needed, take a consent. Always use radiation protection accessories like lead apron, thyroid shield, conal shield, etc. It is ideal to use two lead aprons front and back of the patient for radiation protection. Strictly follow radiation safety protocol, especially in pediatric patients. Hey guys, that's all for this protocol. Please do subscribe our channel and share this video with your radiographer friends.